How to install 1 light blanche lacquered brass pendant. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen tubes. Then screw tubes onto iron frame. Unscrew the ball knobs from the canopy, then remove the mounting plate. Pass the fixture wires through the swivel joint and the canopy. Then screw the swivel joint snug onto tube. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Align the holes in the back plate with the mounting screws. Then attach the canopy using ball knobs. Unscrew socket ring from socket. Place the glass over sockets and secure with the retaining socket ring. Install the bulb. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.